Today we're going to see the new Serpenti Cuore.
This one I was super excited to see. Is this not an eye catcher? You know, obviously the Cuore bag is a lot more out there. I feel like all good things have to come to an end at some point. Today we do a couple of things. First off, we're gonna go visit Dina to have a look at all the new Bulgari Valentine's Day bags. I'm really excited to see the Serpenti Cuore 1968 bag. It's like the bag in the shape of a heart. And then guys, we also have to discuss a couple of things today that are a little bit more on the serious side, but we're going to do that later. Okay, have a look at this. This is one of the new Bulgari Cuore bags. Cuore obviously is Italian for heart. Can't wait to actually see them close up and try them on. Hi guys, so I thought I'm just gonna show you my outfit quickly. I love this cardigan. It really reminds me of like Schiaparelli. I don't know about you, but look at these buttons. And I thought, I don't know why I was in the mood for black and white today. And then I decided to pair it with my beloved Serpentine top handle bag. You guys know this is my favorite bag in the world. Okay guys, and look who's here with me, Dina. So hello. What are we having a look at today?
Today we're going to see the new Serpenti Cuore that we have been talking and anticipating for so long.
And I'm already seeing them over there. I can't wait to show you guys. Hi, do you want to say hi?
Hello, how are you?
So guys, a look at this. Wow, I can only say, wow, this is the new Serpenti Cuore bag.
Indeed, we did have a collection going back quite a few years, Cuore jewellery collection in the shape of a heart, and of course here we had a really focus on an amazing handle, which is based on the shape of a watch in the 1960s. Look at this with the Swarovskis in the eyes.
Amazing.
And this one which is treated with enamel, so you've got gold plated with enamel work on the top.
Incredible.
It's based on design.
It's obviously the perfect time for these bags right now. It's Chinese New Year, it's the year of the snake. And on the other hand, we're just about to celebrate, oh wow, Valentine's Day soon. That is so beautiful. Shows the red one as well, of course, the red heart. It's such a beautiful red. Yeah, and look at this. That's incredible. Let's get a close-up of the enamel as well.
Swarovski also in the eyes. This a bit more of a muted light gold, what we call light gold.
This is so nice. And look at it with a little twilly. Such a nice combination.
A setting where you can attach your chain.
Oh, so it comes with a shoulder strap as well. Okay, this is the first time I'm trying the Cuore bag on, and it really is a gorgeous beauty. So obviously you can see the shape of the heart here, but I loved it when Dina opened the bag and you can really see the full heart shape. It's just so stunning. So with Bulgari bags you always have to look at the details because the craftsmanship is incredible. There we have crystals in the eyes. I hope you can there we can see it. Stunning. You know me, I would always just wear these bags top handle, the crook of my arm. But you do have the option to wear it crossbody as well. The strap is non-adjustable, but you could always attach a different strap if you wanted a shorter length. This is the red that I was looking forward to the most, believe it or not, because red is obviously not my color, but this one I was super excited to see. And again, I love the dark burgundy mixed with the fire red. And of course we got the crystal eyes as well. There we got the heart. And I want to show you the inside as well. So we have a magnetic closure. Okay guys, so a look at these beautiful boxes. I got a little surprise for you. You won't believe what's in here. So first of all, this box is an exclusive edition of the Serpenti Cuore. If you buy one of the Cuore bags, then this is how they're coming. Of course, we took the bag out of the dust bag already, but look at this. this not incredible? You guys know I have discovered my love for white and cream bags recently, so absolutely stunning. The white one comes with black and white enamel. Oh, this is actually the perfect match today for me because of, you know, black, white. I haven't planned this. This is a coincidence. But yeah. Hi. Would you consider getting one of these? I think we got all the colors here today, so we can see all of them in real life, which is amazing. So this is the handle, this is the bag, and some of them come with just the gold-plated handle, like the beige one, but it also comes with an enamel version, so you have to decide between the gold-plated handle or the enamel handle. Let's look at the other one. So I haven't seen it yet either. Again, the most gorgeous box. And surprise, surprise, we got the black one in here. So what I mean is you can pick when it comes to the Cuore bag. Do you want the gold-plated handle or do you want the one with enamel? I think the enamel is a little bit more expensive, of course, than the gold-plated one because it takes more time, craftsmanship to make it. So, you know, that looks quite good as well, of course. And this is the rose pink one, guys. Super subtle, super beautiful, very neutral choice in my opinion. So in this case, you know, you have the golden handle as well, but on the website you can see it comes with an enamel version as well. And the highlight, in my opinion, you guys know I love my Serpentine top handle bag with all the crystals. And just look at this. Okay, let me zoom in there. Is this not an eye catcher? Wow. So let me know which one you prefer. They also do come in 2 sizes, so they look pretty similar, but the ones with the enamel, and this one, this is the exception, but the ones with the enamel are the smaller size, and then the one with the just gold-plated handle, that's the larger size. Guys, look at this. You guys know I've been thinking about getting this model, the Serpenti Forever Mini, you know, for a while, the rectangular one. I always say it, this reminds me size-wise of a Mini Kelly. To be honest, it fits more. It's a way better size. You can put your phone in, you can put, you know, brush, lipstick, keys, your cards, and this is such a perfect size, and it's such a stunning, like, honestly sophisticated, fashionable bag. Even in the red, you know, I love it. I love this kind of red, even though it's super bright. Yeah, so for Chinese New Year, obviously, that's where we're going to see a lot of red bags. Red is a lucky color. And there we can see the onyx eyes, the gold-plated scales, and the enamel is the same color. But yeah, you know, obviously the Cuore bag is a lot more out there. It's a statement piece, but this is a great everyday bag, if you ask me. Okay guys, so let's have a look at the Sugarloaf bags. These are the new colors as well. Let's go for the red. And Dina has just mentioned, so there's a new piece of hardware where you attach the strap.
So before used to be with the hook.
Okay, so this is the inside of the Sugarloaf, and it is the softest leather, especially with the padding. They did finally remove the red eyes and the teeth. So this is the first time I'm seeing it. I have so far only seen the older version, the older model as well. You know, it's cute. This is a very good, like, casual but sophisticated bag in my opinion. More for every day, but I mean, nothing is gonna stop you from wearing it as a clutch to a dinner as well, you know. And I like this color as well. It's honestly very subtle, very, very nice, warm neutral. And this gorgeous bag, guys, we have actually seen in New York, but that was behind glass, so I feel like we should try it on now. This is the small size Serpentine top handle bag, and this is the one that I have in pink. Mine is the large size, so it's a lot bigger. This is a really nice, small, cutesy bag in my opinion as well. So look at this rich gold there. We still got the red eyes and the teeth. And yeah, this shape honestly is one of my favorites as well. It always gives me like 1920s vibes. And this beautiful pink mixed with the ombre gold. It's just absolutely incredible. Okay guys, so this serpentine pouch is, you know, your best friend for evening events and dinners as well. We have seen the ginkgo clutch, and I just wanted to show you these two. Well, this is one of my favorites as well because this is green karung. Doesn't get more classic Bulgari than green karung. Again, the beautiful neutral in the Serpenti Dual. Yeah, this is a nice bag for like every day as well. Or if you want to add a little more sparkle to your life again, you know, I can only recommend this. I always tell you guys, if you have a Bulgari boutique close to you, just go and have a look at these gorgeous pieces in person, because their beauty really comes through when you see them in front of you. And guys, this is a classic Serpenti Forever, of course, in the small size. I have this one in gold. Mine is a lot older though. I bought it many years back, and the strap wasn't this long. So they definitely made the strap longer, so you can even wear it as a double strap now. I really love that. And again, look at this gorgeous red. And look at this. So this is new as well, and it looks absolutely stunning. My bag doesn't have that yet. Plus they added a back pocket, which is obviously very useful. Just for a little bit more eye candy, of course, I have to show you these gorgeous pieces. I have totally fallen in love with these too, you know. I think that's the perfect autumn-winter bag. This burgundy is just so rich. It's like a plum red. I think it's actually called Midnight Plum. Okay, and look at this little Sugarloaf pouch. So this is only, of course we're talking about luxury, but only £940. So, you know, and you can actually wear it with this little strap there as a proper clutch, or you take that off and basically use it as a pouch for when you're traveling or something like that. You know, so to hold your passport, your phone, your essentials, and you don't want to carry a lot, or you put it in your tote. I think that's such a nice, and honestly it feels like heaven. Okay, and let's just have a quick look upstairs. I love this ostrich one. It's just stunning. And look at this, they still have one of the wicker bags. And we tried this one on. This comes in white and in green with the malachite. And they are relatives of my bag. And look at this. I think this is a rarity because Bulgari rarely does silver. So most of the time you find champagne gold or rich gold, which you guys know me, I prefer that. But for anybody who wears a lot of white gold or platinum, you know, this is the bag for you. Oh yeah. This is, of course, the Viper. Yeah. I really like them. So guys, these are the current sunglasses, if anyone's looking for a new pair. And of course the star, the Fuji Serpenti top handle. And this, in my opinion, is still a museum's piece. And guys, it's quite a gloomy day today, but look at the atmosphere in here. It's just so nice. Yeah guys, definitely let me know what caught your attention. I really like that hard bag. It's something new, you know, it's something we do not see all the time, or the other fashion houses are copying each other, and Bulgari always invents like something new. Okay guys, that was Bulgari. Now we're gonna find a quiet place and then we need to have a little chat. And the weather has turned on me. It's raining. And look at beautiful London. Yeah, and then we have to talk about a couple things today. I feel like all good things have to come to an end at some point, and I've been on YouTube now for 5 years. I started at the beginning of the pandemic with a lot of you. I think there were a lot of pandemic luxury YouTubers, and it was super fun for the longest time. And obviously I had to go through a lot of obstacles over the last 2 years. 5 surgeries in 18 months is tough on the physical body as well as on your mind. First of all, I just want to say, the biggest thank you to my doctor. For anybody who's suffering with endometriosis or knows anyone in your family, in your friend circle that suffers from endometriosis, I want to recommend my doctor, Tom Holland, to you. Share it with as many people as possible because he saved my life. You guys know I wasn't able to sit. I was in so much pain for, almost 1.5 years, where I barely could do anything, and it was such a torture, guys. You cannot imagine. Every time you go into surgery and you have to heal 4, 6, 8 weeks afterwards, sometimes 10, and then you're trying to go back on YouTube and make videos and chase the algorithm, and the algorithm is very unforgiving. There is no sick leave on YouTube. You have to fight every single time you put a video out, and it can drain you if, you go from surgery, healing, to trying to get some videos out again, and the next surgery and healing. And that was my cycle for 18 months, 5 times. Every time I thought, of course, hey, I'm getting better, this is going to be the final surgery, and it wasn't. Yeah, hi guys, I thought that's quite a nice shot. Hi, it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed the first part of this video. It's quite windy, I hope you can hear me. And I just wanted to say it was not the worst couple of weeks, because obviously I've been through a lot over the last 2 years, but it's also not been nice. Like, I needed to wait for a couple, results again to know if there's anything else that needs to be done, and I'm currently still waiting for some genetic testing that we did as well now, because we have a family history of certain things, and I kind of just want to get everything done, health-wise. I had to go to a lot of appointments, talk to a lot of consultants over the last couple of weeks, and right now nothing has to be done, but I'm also still waiting for some genetic testing stuff. So I've always known, to be honest, that there might be, that I still have to do one more preventative surgery at some point, but I just wanted a break. I was hoping that it doesn't have to be, done right now. We're good. I just also want to tell you guys that it's been really difficult for me to get excited about bags recently, and I think with everything that's going on, I made the decision that I probably want to continue this channel here as a hobby. So whenever I feel like posting, I will be posting. Whenever I want to share, a new bag or a new edition or new clothes or anything, I will do that. But I think I will move away from this 2-3 videos a week schedule. I don't know where my passion has gone. I feel like I want to do something, I want to talk about something deeper, maybe something more educational, and I'm going to start a second channel. So it's a totally different topic though, so I do not expect, any of you to follow me there. It would be wonderful, but it's got nothing to do with fashion. Well, I mean, maybe I'm just gonna put nice outfits on for every video, but that's about it. I want to talk more about astrophysics, space news, and simulation theory, which is a very big field of interest for myself. So I will, put the details here. I'm gonna put the link to the new channel in the description box below. You might not be able to find it yet by just typing it into YouTube, because it's totally new. There's no video on the channel yet. So you have to follow the link to find the channel and subscribe to it. But it would mean the world to me, of course, if you support this new little, project, and then we see. But I think here for the main channel, I will just, come on whenever I feel like it, whenever I want to share a new collection, whenever I do go vlog, or whenever I get something new back for myself, then I share that. But I think it will be less often. And yeah, then I'm gonna be waiting for you on the new channel.